I received a gifted collab with Busties. They sent over their double-sided clothing tape. This is how the package looks. On the package comes 100 strips and then 25 little dots, like if you don't need a lot of the strip, and then instructions, and then a scan code in the back, and you can get Busties on Amazon. So the first thing you do before you put them on is make sure the area is clean. So I had wanted to use it with this dress just because I do notice it goes down, and I want to keep it in position. That way it's not showing too much cleavage. So I make sure not to put any lotion, oil, anything on top over here where I'm going to be putting it. So I got my strip. You'll go ahead and take off the siding on one side. So I'm just gonna place it right there. So the tape has a side that you peel. So I went ahead and peeled it off, and so you could tell the tape is already. Go ahead and align my dress how I want it and just press it down. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other side now. Once again, just pressing down on the spot where I wanna go ahead and tape my dress. So I went ahead and I have the tape there. I'm just gonna align my dress so that it's even. Press it down, and there we go. Now the dress isn't moving down anymore. Thank you so much, Busties.